Afternoon and welcome to the wildlands, and today we're doing a bit more work on the shade house, and Rosie and I are going to move her lovely garden from where it was against the boundary, and it's now in the shade due to the shade house, so we're going to move it to the front of the shade house and create a nice raised border bed, and she's going to replant her plants there and also have a bit of extra space for some new stuff. And we'll be able to see it from the van and it'll look lovely. So first job is to move the miter saw and clear away the space, and then we'll get planting. We're Those Weirdos, a family of 7.
Nearly 3 years ago, we gave up our conventional lives to live, travel and work in our self-converted Sprinter van.
In July 2021, with the increase in travel restrictions caused by Brexit and the pandemic, we decided to buy off-grid land in Portugal to live a more sustainable lifestyle.
Follow along with our journey as we turn our beautiful but derelict land into our very own slice of off-grid heaven. Wildlands.
It's all cleared and we've put some logs down. Rosie's just starting to work on the artistic side, and we're going to fill that up with earth. Maybe give it a mattock first to break up this hard ground. It's ever so hard. Give that a big bash. So that's under the bed. I've mattocked the surface for Rosie so that the roots can get down there. I'm going to give that a water now, and then we're going to put mulch and topsoil and compost on the top. Just putting stones along the back so the earth doesn't run under the gap where the floor isn't even of the shade house. I'm going to steal some of Missy's compost. Bag looks heavy.
Yeah, it's fine.
There you go. It's lovely compost, isn't it, Rose?
Yeah, I think we might need a second bag.
Well, we'll mix some mulch in. And some horse poo. I can break the horse poo up for you. And now Rosie's just put half a bag of compost on the top, so it's all smooth, which is how she wanted it, because she wants to display things in there as well as the plants. What are you doing, Rose?
Planting a massive bush of coriander that I've grown.
It's doing well, that one, isn't it?
Yeah.
Can you give us a tour of the garden when you finish planting it?
I can. Okay, I have a mantis arm now.
So cute, isn't he? He's a big boy. What do you reckon he is? He's nearly 4 inches.
I don't know.
He's huge. Look, he's nearly as wide as your hand.
Yeah. It's going good. I've begun decorating, which is quite a fun step of the process. picking spots for various things I have, but I want to go there, like bottles. Bottles are always a good thing. Bottles can go in here. They're from the mantis.
Rose has finished her garden. It looks much better than the Mitosaur at the front of the shade house. And she's got a bit of space, looking epic.